Alright, got Grommet and did that one real nice. You ever just, like, you're running calls for like 12 hours straight and you get real goofy and you start hitting them with that Jethro Jurgle Bean? You know what I mean? Yeah. That's where I'm at. Fuck this Wasp. Good thing I got Wasp killer. Get your ass out of here, man. Get your ass back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hit him with that Jethro, you know? Alright, now I gotta pump it down. Hit him with a Jethro Jurgle Bean. Let's see. Alright. Yep. I can't remember if this motherfucker leaks. Alright, no high head pressure switch trip. That's good. 109 psi on the low side. Let me get my Jethro Jurgle Bean wrench ready. That's it. That's the Jurgle Bean wrench. Hit on with a Jethro. So what we're going to do is make sure it comes on and runs first. Okay. Well, we got everything nicely done. Nothing's touching. It's drilled in. One screw. Alright, let's hit it with the Jethro. Let's see if it comes on. Well, that's gay. I don't like that. It's fucking shitty. Alright, let me open this up.